Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
The kind of power that comes with being a teacher is something that I personally never take for granted. And when I first read his writings, I realized that unlike a lot of poetry and stories, Shlok's writing had these details that you don't normally see. A lot of imagery, and it wasn't a conscious effort, is what I realized. It was a gift. Because every time I read a poem or a story, I would get a complete picture of what he was trying to say, and I think that was great. So that's why I thought that maybe he could write more. But honestly, I can't take credit for this book. That's all his mom. I just, as a teacher, thought that he could write more. That's all.
So at first, I started writing poems due to the influence of my sister. But then I sort of also started writing short stories because of the encouragement given to me by my professor, Sandeep Royforde. He helped me and he told me to start writing stories and submitting them to these competitions. And while these competitions, I just started writing more. And as time passed, I gathered a lot of content. And it was about mid-pandemic last year that we decided to publish this book. And so for the past 1 year, we've been working with the publishers in Belgaum. And I'm happy to say that we finally achieved our goal and the book is here.